Guys, greetings once again. Is your girl Stella Olisa, aka CityQueen, first African female content creator in India and Delhi. So right now we are making Isie Wunkobi. As you can see, this is what they called akamu. I have mixed my akamu with ogili and crayfish. And first of all, this is my red oil, and this is my crayfish and fresh pepper, blended pepper. On the other hand, I am making a vegetable okra soup, part of my favorite. So right now we are going to be bringing out the goat head. We are going to be removing the bones from this goat head. Yes, for those of you that like bone, you can still put it if you want. But me, I like removing the bone. Right now, I'm adding mushroom to my okra soup, my vegetable okra soup. Ewa. Serve your plate on the comment section. Let me serve you one plate for free. No darling moment. Let's go there. If you are with me, just tap on the comment section. This is our final unkobi. Isie unkobi. Oh, I'm losing you.